Updating your payout information on Shippo is essential for ensuring that you receive your funds correctly. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Shippo account. Visit the Shippo website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Select Payout Information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new payout information such as bank account details or payment method. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues with future transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout details, look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on Shippo. Make sure to check your details periodically to keep everything up to date.